Hey everybody, Mr. Fitz here, and we're doing line number 49 for trombone and baritone. So I'm going to play it for you first, and then we'll talk about how to learn to play it. Here we go. Let me try it again. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to look at the notes here and just look at the first two measures, okay? So what you do is you say the rhythm to it first with tas and tts, all right? So let's say the first two measures together and tap our foot. 1, 2, ready, go. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 rest. So you want to be able to tap a steady beat while you say that, okay? So we want to practice that. If you want to pause the video and practice that till you get it, that's good. All right, that's the first step because we do 4 steps to learn this. The second step is to play it, but just play it on one note. So even though there's different pitches here, like B flat, D, and F, and all that, I'm just going to play it as if they're all B flats, okay? So I'm just going to play the first two measures, but I'm going to play it, pretend they're all B flats. Ready? Okay, and I tap my foot. Now what you want to do with that is practice that till you can get it to be nice and steady, all on one note, okay? Pause the video if you need to and practice it. Next thing to do is to name the notes, all right? So let's look at these notes here. So I want you to look at the notes in the first two measures and see if you know what they are. If you don't know what they are, I want you to pause the video and figure it out. Okay, so assuming that you did that now, B flat, D, F, D, D, C, D, E flat, rest. Okay, now what you do then at that point is you move your slide as if you were playing while you name the notes. B flat, D, F, D, D, C, D, E flat, rest. Again, you practice that till you get it to go. Take your time with it, pause the video if you need to, all right? And then finally, the last step is to actually play it. And I'm gonna play the first two measures for you now. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, now, I just did the first two measures and showed you the process. What you would do then is to continue on, do the next two measures in the same way, meaning say the rhythm first with the tas and the tts, all right? Play the rhythm on one note, and it could be any note that you want, but just so you're not moving your slide. That's the second step. Third step is to name those notes and then use the slide while you're naming them. And then finally, the fourth step is to actually play it. Do it 2 measures at a time. Once you get the first 2 measures, then go on to the next 2, then do all 4 of them, then do the next 2 after that, then do all 6, finally do the last 2 measures, and then do all 8. And that should get you to be able to play that successfully. So best of luck with line number 49. Woohoo!